So, how y'all doing today? It's your girl Dun, coming live from Beauty Time with Dun. And yeah, we finna get y'all this everyday face. I'm doing my eyebrows off camera because my eyebrow tutorial is gonna be a separate video so that y'all have that also. Anything else, just let me know, sweetie. Please let me know. So we're gonna get started. Let's get it. Guys, I'm on the way to the Alpha Probate, and this is what I got cute for. And y'all know this. This is my girl ZZ in the back. We got my girl Airy Bear. And yeah, stop playing. Pay that fee. I just want to know what's up, team. About to be another month, and I just want to know: are you ladies prospering? Are you gentlemen prospering? I said that all wrong, but we ain't gonna worry about that though. I hope everybody is staying positive. You know, staying positive, prospering. I hope that you all wrote down your goals for 2019 so that you're actually, you know, achieving them. Wow, look at that. You see the difference? Big difference. Stop playing. We gotta add a little more. We trying to be right, baby. Fuck all that extra shit, period. I know I ain't got time, and I hope y'all ain't got time either. So you want to make sure you get that foundation all the way, like you want to get it all the way. Y'all see that? This foundation is the bomb. I'm not lying. I'm not lying, y'all. Right, no cap. No rap cap. Ain't that what them niggas be saying? No rap cap. Please make sure y'all get that forehead all the way. Make sure you put the foundation all over. Full coverage me, please. Full coverage me, please. Now, this is the part that matters the most. You don't want to be looking like a ghost. I don't encourage you. Please do not be looking like a ghost. That's how people send your photos to everybody and be clowning you. Let's leave that ghost shit in 2018 once again, period. The key to this is you have to make sure that you actually blend. Like, you have to blend. baby. I look like they finna carry my casting down 288. Stop playing. But not for long. Not for long. Stop playing. Setting powder set, but you don't want to let it set too long to where your face begin to come cakey. And like usually with setting powder, like you're gonna always, I feel like with any setting powder, you're gonna always have that flashback. But that's why you take like a pressed powder. This is the one I use by Fit Me. You take a pressed powder and you use it like to sweep away the dust, the setting powder. And that way it gives you, you know, your color back. And you're gonna make sure you sweep that all the way. See that? And then another thing, like as soon as you sweep it away, it might still look a little light, but you have to let it set. Like it has to set. It takes time to set. By the time you finish the rest of your face, it should already be, you know, it should already be set it to the color that it's finna be. And of course, it might look a little weird at first, because you have to, you know, contour and add your little bronze and shit. Because I know me, I like to be bronzed up like a donut, baby. Glazed. Already a snag. I'm trying to be a real one. So we're going to just dust this away. And make sure you're not using a lot of the powder. You just actually like just dabbing it a little bit. And adding it. So pretty much that's it. Like it's literally simple, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to do this real fast in like 15 minutes. And then you just add whatever, you know, type of lipstick you want, and that's your everyday face. Bow. See y'all next time on my channel, and thanks for watching.
Right now, 30,000 in my mouth. I can't wait to crack a smile.
You not? Action. That's a bad bitch walking. I know y'all see me coming stop. Oh, she fine. Walking past the mirror. Boom. Damn, she fine. Okay, you can stop it.